wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Kali ini saya mau ke LOHAS Park Waterfall ya. Gimana semuanya? Kabarnya baik semuanya kan? Ikuti terus ya video saya. Ini kita keluar exit dari LOHAS Park ya. Kita keluar exit C1 ini ya, LOHAS Park C1, lalu belok kiri, kita belok kiri, ikuti rutenya ya, kita jalan terus belok kiri, terus lalu ada penyeberangan, ini kita belok kanan. Lalu kita belok kiri lagi. Ini perumahan elit. Kita terus ya. Lalu kita belok kiri, belok kanan. Ini kita belok kanan ya. Belok kanan. Nanti kita ada di balik gunung sana ya. Di balik bukit. Bukit apa gunung ya? Bukit. Nih, kita terus. Lalu kita turun lift, belok kiri ya. Kita turun lift. Ini tadi ada lift atau tangga, tadi saya naik lift ya. Kita turun ke bawah. Lalu ini ada terowongan. Kita masuk terowongan. Ini kita masih jalan terus ya. Ini sampai ketemu sekolahan ya. Kita belok sini. Oh, ada mobil. Wah, panas sekali. Bener ah? Nih jalannya ya. Ini ada gang kecil. Iya bener kayak ini. Nah, kuwi atus wong Maria. Terus ada lompong. Ini jalannya sangat sempit. Harus hati-hati. Kayaknya iya sih. Terus loh. Bener lah. Nih kita lewati jembatan ya. Lewati jembatan. Terus aduh, panas sekali. Nih, banyak mbak-mbak di tenda. Ini kita nyampe tenda.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the.
Terima kasih sudah mau menonton video saya. Ikuti Hongkong trip saya selanjutnya ya. Jangan lupa komen, like, and subscribe. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.